We've got just about 5 minutes left, just maybe a little bit less. Just putting your battery in and finishing this up. So we've got, I'm going to place 4 strips total in here. You don't need an excessive amount of adhesive to hold this battery in. You just don't want it rattling around essentially if you shake the phone. You want it pretty secure in its place. After the phone is closed up. And this is pretty strong double-sided adhesive. Obviously not nearly as strong as Apple's original adhesive that holds this battery in, but honestly that is pretty overkill. You know, the amount of isopropyl alcohol and heat required to remove that original battery from the adhesive is more so a barrier for technicians to increase difficulty of the repair than it is functionality of the device essentially, or any type of safety measure.